Hello guys, today new word is disingenuous, which is mean, not candid or sincere, typically by pretending that one knows less about something that one really does. Not candid or sincere, typically by pretending that one knows less about something than one really does. So what are the synonyms for this word? Are dishonest, deceitful, underhand, and duplicitous. Have a look at a few examples here. Number 1. It would be disingenuous to claim that this is a great art. It would be disingenuous to claim that this is a great art. It would be disingenuous to claim that this is great art. Number 2. It is disingenuous of him to flatter me. It is disingenuous of him to flatter me. Number 3. Your correspondent thinks both sides are disingenuous. Your correspondent thinks both sides are disingenuous. Number 4. On the more general point, charge of corruption were disingenuous. On the more general points, charge of corruption were disingenuous. Number 5. It would be disingenuous of me to claim I had never seen it. It would be disingenuous of